Guys, thanks for tuning into Performance RC today. This video I wanted just to cover the my 32, just kind of what I did to it, all the mods that are done to it, some upgrade parts done to it. So this was my first Baja I got. This was originally from Roven. This is a Roven 30.5, I believe. So right now in it, the heart of this is a Zenoa 32. And as you can see from my other videos, it's a ported 32 done by, right here, Performance RC. Go check out Alan. He does amazing stuff. Check out my videos. Check out Jeff from Eastside RC. All the stuff that TRM's doing out there. He is definitely going to be destroying this hobby. In a good way, But we'll start from the front after the engine. So the front, basically everything is still stock plastics. All I have are different bead locks. I went with the blue. I'm going with like a bluish style of this 32. Have the front bumper, took out the stock front bumper, added this to make it look a little bit cooler, I guess. I'm running outerwears, well, the King Motor outerwears for my shocks, fronts and forwards. Total Racing front, a full one-piece shock tower. You know, it's Turtle Racing. I do agree it is a little overpriced, but I am a fan of Turtle Racing. I do love their stuff. They make really good, high-quality parts. This is part actually new. I have the symmetrical steering setup in this. I got this off of Roven's website. Dan over there at Roven, go check him out. He has awesome stuff, and I'm a big fan of this this steering setup. It's really good. I got the big 55 kg steering servo that you find in the Primal Raminator monster trucks. I got this off of Primal for under $50, so that's a steal right there. I had my tack set up. Don't worry, this is not a permanent setup yet. I just have it for the time being until I have the time to actually run the wires properly and get it mounted up. The sticker fell off this, but this is a steering servo upgraded, or not steering, this is a upgraded throttle servo from Roven. It's their high torque, very high response servo. I have the full force fuel line kit. That's, I think, a must for every Baja, regardless of what you're gonna do to it. Even like this one over here. This is my Monster 27, and I still got the I got the fuel kit on this one too. So that's just a must. Over here, got this in the mail the other day. Cobra cords. I love it. Thanks. Shout out again to Jeff, Eastside RC. Thanks, buddy, for sending me the link. I definitely am a fan of using this now to pull it. It's a lot easier. Have the Team Fat Dads brace along with the side brace I have on the other side too. But this is like the pull start engine brace, I guess they call it. Along with the GBE engine mounts. Diff, I'm running a genuine HPI diff with 7K diff oil in this, and the Turtle Racing housing for the diff. So can't really see it that much in there, but it's in there. Brake setup, I'm running the carbon fiber brakes. I actually have a spare set over here from Full Force. I think these are underrated. You don't see a lot of people talking about these brakes. I like them. I thought they really perform good. Especially for how heavy this Baja is. The only downfall is it wears out quick. Even the pads, it definitely wears out quick, so that's why I have a spare set. Baja over there has the RCR brakes. Those are expensive, but those are good brakes also. Pipe, I'm running the V2 pipe from Roven. Again, check out Roven. It's not on their website, so email Dan, tell him you want a V2 pipe, and he'll send you an invoice and get a pipe. This thing is wild. Check out my other videos of this thing running. Ditch the export, use some high heat RTV silicone and seal her up, and you'll get a couple more RPMs out of her and just better compression. Clutch setup, I'm running the Turtle Racing clutch setup for now. I have a 1955 gearing in here now. That's what you see on all my other videos. But pretty soon, I will have a new gear setup. So if you subscribe and stay tuned later, I'm going to be doing some testing. I have a 1955 in here now. And I just got a package the other day from DDM. Since I'm running a Turtle Racing clutch, I'm kind of limited on my pinion gears, so I have to stick with Turtle Racing pinions. So this is a 22 pinion, and here is a Black Magic from DDM, a 52 metal spur. Only thing I'm not liking is heavy. It's really heavy. So my thoughts on this are, it's gonna definitely probably kill the low-end performance just for how heavy this is turning and out of the hole. So in the mail I have coming from Dan again from Roven, I ordered a 52-22 set. So I'm gonna use the 52 spur with this 22 pinion. So it'll just be a plastic spur, and I'll probably send this back or sell it. So if anybody's interested in this, hit me up. Back to the car on this side, continuing again, like I said, Team Fat Dad, RC side brace. I have the Turtle Racing G320 clutch housing set up, and then the transmission plate Turtle Racing. These, I just finished these the other day. These are Hostile rubbers with the Hostile outer beads and then the inner beads to match. And then I just got these the other day in the mail. This was a little shout out to, let's see which one is this one. Shout out again from Jeff. A bunch of these little rubber gaskets. So those I went in between. Probably can't see it well. Yeah, you can see it a little bit in there. But you put those in between your shock mounts, tops and bottoms. I have it on all four. And let's see. You can't see it that well, but trust me, they're in there. And also, I put them right here, so you don't have all that play. And that basically just minimizes all that play in between the shock mounts and also your play within your A-arms right here, which is a awesome idea. So thanks, Jeff, for that little shout out there. Let's see what else about this car. MSD spark plug. I pretty much put those on all my Bajas just because they look cool. Carburetor, again, there's a lot of controversy out there, 990 versus 1107. This is an 1107. If you're running anything bigger than a 32 and above, 1107 or bigger. Ditch the 990, people. Come on, this is 2020. Everyone out there are not always right in saying, oh, 990s is the only carb for your engines. Definitely 1107. Bigger carb, more fuel, more power. You can see my videos to prove it. Definitely. So that's pretty much it on this 32. It's pretty much done. Just kind of cleaning. Today's Sunday. Just kind of doing a little bit of cleaning. Getting ready for another build. Here's some of the parts laid out. This is for my Max T, that from Roven, the Baja Max T that Jeff has. So these are just some stuff I bought for the upcoming build. Outerwears, air filter, spark plug, again, full force. I put them on all my Bajas. This was deal of the day, so Jeff's got one on his, so I'm like, I gotta get one too. I got this for a steal. This is a Turtle Racing clutch housing. Got it dirt cheap, brand new, never used, so I'm like, what the hell. I got these with it. That was a deal with that. So just all the stuff's going on the Max T. And there's the 27 just sitting there. I'm gonna run that maybe tomorrow and then give it a bath. It's kind of dirty, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give an update on the 32 and what's all done to it. But that's about it. Just doing some organizing over here. And yeah, here's my gear sets. But that's about it, guys. Again, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like this video, and more to come. Next video is going to be on this, the 32 speed runs. I want to do some speed comparisons with the gearing. 1955 versus 2252. But till then, guys, see ya.